The PressureSuite Cloud is available at PressureSuite.com. The landing page includes sign-in fields and a link to additional documentation. You can sign up for a new account or reset your password. Free demo access credentials are available for testing the web app. Once signed in, you can see a list of all available sending devices. This table is both filterable and sortable. This makes it easy to get an overview of the latest transmitted values. You can select a device from this list to view its data. The main part of the device view is the chart showing time series measurement data. Customize your chart with the desired time range, or change the scaling of the y-axis. Measurements are stored as raw data and can be calculated in the web app to show water level, water depth, tank content, and more. Choose a predefined formula template and link the needed channels and parameters. The chart will then display the newly calculated values. The device view also shows information about signal quality, battery status, and more. You can directly print the chosen dataset or export it in various formats, such as CSV, JSON, or Excel. For Excel, the web app stores an Excel file with all the data from the selected time range. You can export both raw and calculated data within a selected time range. Timestamps are available in local time or UTC. You can set an email alarm when measurements exceed or fall below defined values. Each measurement channel can be used, and multiple alarms can be created. To avoid sending too many alarms, set a hysteresis value. When an alarm state is reached, the list of designated email recipients will be notified. Some configurations on the sending device, such as the ARC or ADT, can be carried out remotely. For example, change the measuring interval to 10 minutes and the transmission interval to 1 hour. This device checks for new configurations once per day. Press the Send New Configuration to Device button to trigger the creation of a new configuration file for the device. When the device checks for new configuration, it will find it and reprogram itself. Further configuration of the web app can be done in Page Settings. Select your preferred language settings. Your local time zone, and preferred units. or even create your own unit. The PressureSuite Cloud is an easy tool to visualize your measurement data. Everything can be exported at any time. A lot can be configured to your needs. For more features or information, visit the documentation page at docs.pressuresuite.com.